Leading in a time of tragedy brings with it new challenges and opportunities for new framework of school leadership. In our workshop, we will focus on building capacity within the school by promoting student leadership. We will share how building leaders, teachers, staff work together with student leaders to create a meaningful response to the walkout event following the unspeakable tragedy in Florida this past year. Through respectful and inclusive dialogue, students were able to voice their support for the students of Marjory Stoneman Douglas, while at the same time expressing their need for safer schools. During our workshop, we will share our experiences and timeline of working with students and staff to create the walkout event and related activities. Following that narrative, we will discuss some of the takeaways and the lessons learned along the way. Our presentation will conclude with an opportunity for open discussion of the experiences of other schools and school leaders with their response to the National Walkout event in March 2018.